system. You hear these sounds, and you react in a certain way. Maybe it was that force that brought them together, or perhaps it was a force more sinister.
MySpace is not an addiction. I used to suck dick for friends. You ever suck some dick for friends? Open your mouth, I'll put you in my top 8.
Such uncontrollable passion.
Oh my God! Dane, God!
Superfinger Entertainment brings you the Isolated Incident Global Thermal Comedy Tour. One man, one microphone, and one giant souffle. From the mind that brought you uncle and swamp. Back in the fiery water! Get back in the fiery water! Where's the bag? Around the edges. 15 fucking cents! It's 15 fucking cents! Are you kidding me? Comes the all-new Isolated Incident. You like me now, kid? So what is the force behind it all that drives a man to such insanity? That force is you.
Wow, thank you guys very much. How you guys doing over here? Everybody feeling good? Very nice? How about you guys feeling any better over here? Let me hear.
Are you ready? We're gonna do it.
How are you guys? How are you? Boom! Everybody up top, let me hear you up top. Make some noise. I want you to make some noise for Aldel Benny, Whitney Cummings, Nick Thune coming out here, killing it. Destroying it. They're having a fucking great time. Hi everybody. I want to say hey to everybody watching on Ustream at home. Say hi to my friends, everybody at Ustream. Live on the World Wide Web. It's good to be here. I want to talk about a couple things. First of all, I want to say right off the bat that this is the last tour, the last Isolated Incident show of the tour, and it's here with you guys. But we'll get to that reason, because first I want to talk a little bit about where we've been. Our travels have taken us far and wide. We went through Vegas, did a little Vegas foolishness. On the tour, you know the whole thing in Vegas. Whatever happens in Vegas, stays in Vegas. That's what they say. Let me ask you a question. What are the parameters if you get really fucked up in Vegas and you wake up in Connecticut with bloody underwear on, missing a kidney? Can I speak to maybe a doctor about this? The thing that I really love about Vegas is that whatever level of party person you are, you go to Vegas, and it just goes up a notch, right? If you like drink a little bit in your regular life, then you go to Vegas, you drink a lot. If you already kind of drink a lot and you go to Vegas, you do meth and steal a baby. I like watching people at the sports pit. That's one of my favorite places. If you don't know the sports pit, that's where all the games are on. Everybody's standing there. It's almost like a really aggressive church service. Just people looking up the streets. Jesus fucking Christ. God damn it, Lord, no. I like any shows on TV about casinos and people that try to cheat, pull shenanigans with the casino. Those are my favorites, right? When the eye in the sky catches people at the tables doing stuff. This is what I want you to do next time you go to a casino. Sit at the table, okay? And then look at a total stranger and for no reason whatsoever, send them a signal. Just throw signs to random stranger. You know they're going to be watching that little room looking at that TV going, what the fuck's this guy doing? He just lost 8 grand but he's throwing signals all over the place. What is this? I don't understand in these situations how people work at the mall attached to a casino. Is that not dangerous to work at a retail store inside of a casino? You work at the Gap. Imagine that you're working at the Gap, you get an hour break, you turn to the people you work with, hey, I get an hour break, I'm gonna go play a little blackjack. You come back 11 minutes later, can I work doubles for the next 6 months? I'm in a world of shit. I just lost my mother's insulin money in a minute. It's all about the sell, okay? Florida, they want to sell you. Whatever they can do to sell in those spots, they will. I was walking by a store and I looked in the window. I see a pair of boots that I wanted in my life on my feet.